Hello, my name is MTanner, and I'm a trial attorney with the law firm of Bacon Wilson here in Northampton, Massachusetts. Hi, today I'd like to speak with you briefly about how lawsuits progress through the court system in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Generally, a lawsuit is started with something called a complaint. A complaint is the allegations made by a plaintiff in a lawsuit. Once the complaint is filed with the court, it's served by the sheriff or by a constable on the other parties in the action. They would then have an obligation to file something called an answer. An answer is the defendant's response to the plaintiff's complaint. Once the answer and the complaint have been filed, what happens in a particular case depends somewhat on the court it's filed in. But, generally speaking, you'll then enter a period of time for the parties to conduct discovery. Discovery is the chance that parties in a lawsuit have to find out about the other side's case. This can be done through depositions, through written questions, or through requests for the other party to admit or deny certain things. Once discovery is complete, there'll generally be a conference of some sort with the court so that the parties can inform the court where they are and whether or not they believe a trial is likely on the case. Following this conference, which is frequently called a pretrial conference, there would be a period of time for the parties to get ready for trial, and then a trial itself would be conducted. Generally, in the district court, you can expect this process to take anywhere between 1 and 2 years. And in the Superior Court, you can expect very early on in the case to see something called a tracking order, which is where the court lays out the various dates for these various events to have occurred. My name is MTanner, and I'm a trial attorney with the law firm of Bacon Wilson. We've been discussing how a lawsuit proceeds through our courts. While I didn't have time to give you a full description as to how this process works, if you're interested in learning more, or if you're involved in a lawsuit and you may need representation, I'd be happy to speak with you. Thank you.